Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about a cargo aircraft. A cargo aircraft is a fixed-wing aircraft that is designed or converted for the carriage of cargo rather than passengers. Such aircraft generally feature one or more large doors for loading cargo, lacks passenger comfort features such as seats, entertainment systems, and carbon fragilization tailored for humans. Passenger aircraft equipped with safety features like oxygen masks, emergency exits, and comfort features. As the name states that a certain package containing dangerous goods is banned from going onto a passenger aircraft, but can be loaded and transported only on a cargo aircraft. Thus, aircrafts meant exclusively for goods transport, a critical component of the global supply chain. Number one, Boeing 747-8F, one of the largest cargo planes. This aircraft has a high payload capacity. The aircraft has a long range suitable for international cargo operations. Number two, Boeing 777F. This is a wide body cargo plane with a large capacity.